So we have learned the mechanism of diazotization. Now if we can represent this reaction in the simplest manner, then we can represent this like we are having a primary amine, and when it is reacted with nitrous acid, it get converted into diazonium salt. This is the outcome of the reaction. This is the diazonium salt. Now why they are so much unstable and other things? So let's see the key points of this reaction. First point, see, in diazonium salt, there is very good leaving group, that is nitrogen. It is so it readily get converted into carbocation. Means this reaction easily gives carbocation. Once diazonium salt is formed, then it is highly unstable. The reason is this bond breaks and the electron goes towards nitrogen, so you will be getting R plus and nitrogen gas. This is supposed to be the best leaving group, so we are getting a carbocation. So this reaction is very helpful in generating carbocations. The carbocation reacts with available nucleophiles and generate products. So what are the products there? See, there is carbocation. Now what are the nucleophiles which are present in this reacting mixture? So if you see clearly, there will be plenty of water, because the reaction is taking place in aqueous medium, so there will be plenty of water. So it is in large excess. Water is in large excess. So this will attack on this carbocation. So there will be oxonium ion of protonated alcohol, which will release one proton and get converted to alcohol. So the major product of this reaction will be alcohol. Second, there will be chloride ions also, which are coming from the HCl. They will directly attach to themselves, plus minus. Again you will get RCl, that is alkyl chloride. So in a small amount you will get alkyl chloride also. Also there will be nitrite ion, which is coming from nitrous acid itself. So you will be getting alkyl nitrite also. So these two products will be minor products and alcohol will be the major product. Again, because there is carbocation, and if there is alpha hydrogens available, then elimination may take place and alkene can also be formed. So alkenes can also be found as a product. So now what we can say, we are having a primary amine reacting it with nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. We are getting diazonium salt, which is generating carbocation, and now carbocation is reacting with either water to give alcohol, to chloride to give alkyl chloride, to nitrite ion to give alkyl nitrate, and if alpha hydrogen is there, then it will release proton also to give alkene. Okay, now next key point, aromatic diazonium salts are more stable than aliphatic diazonium salt. What is the reason? Suppose you are taking aromatic amine, that is aniline, and you are reacting it with NaONO2 plus HCl at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Then following the same mechanism, you will be getting a aryl diazonium salt or phenyl diazonium salt, that is aromatic diazonium salt. This species is resonance stabilized, means in aliphatic amines there was no medium, there was no factor which was stabilizing diazonium salt. Even due to presence of a very good leaving group, it was readily getting converted into carbocation. But now in aromatic amines, you can see there is conjugation. So if this bond comes here, this will be here, so this bond is coming here, as well as the electrons are moving this side, so it will be having a positive charge, and due to presence of extra electrons it will be having a negative charge. Similarly, these electrons may come over here, and so on. So this sort of stabilization you are getting from the diazonium salt if a aromatic system is attached to nitrogen. So how can we represent this? And in the ring there is delocalization of positive charge, so this will be the resonance hybrid of this structure, and it will be more stable than aliphatic amines. Let's take some problems over this. Suppose this is your diazonium salt. So what will happen first? You will get a diazonium salt. Now there will be formation of 1 degree carbocation which are quite unstable, so they will show rearrangement. So this will be a unstable carbocation which will be forming in this reaction for a while or for a miniature time, but simultaneously this methyl group will shift over here. So what will be remain there? this sort of a 3-degree carbocation, because this methyl group will go here, so it will become methyl, and this there will be 3-degree carbocation, and there will be plenty of water. So first you will be getting a protonated alcohol, and finally the result will be a alcohol. So you can see rearrangement will also take place. So that is rearrangement of carbocation will be taking place if structure allows. Means if the structure of carbon skeleton is such that it can allow the rearrangement to take place, then there will be rearrangement of carbon skeleton also. Suppose this is your reactant, again there will be formation of 1-degree carbocation. Now there will be ring expansion. You can assume here a positive charge, here a negative charge. This bond will be forming, so you will get this sort of carbocation, which can be written like this, and when it will attacked by water, you will be getting a cyclopentanol. So this sort of chemical reactions are possible in case of diazotization reaction when you are having a 1-degree amine. This reaction is related to so many reactions, like Damjanov reaction is there, Tiffany-Damjanov reaction is there, as well as at so many places you can see this reaction to be taking place simultaneously with some other reaction. Okay, so you have to learn this reaction and do practice about this reaction. Okay.